The Medium Partner Program has attracted a lot of writers, but not everyone knows how it works or some of the ways you can fully capitalize on it. In this video, we're going to shed some light into some of the strategies you can use to monetize your Medium content and reach more people and make the best out of the whole experience. So when you are a new writer on Medium, one of the best things you could do is go right out of the gate running and create as many articles as you can. I eventually hit a stride on Medium where after a few weeks, I was able to publish a new article every day. If you feel like that is extremely overwhelming, just make sure you're able to publish at a frequency where you are definitely challenging yourself, but you are not feeling overwhelmed. At my peak, I was able to do 2 Medium articles each day. It is something I could return to, but there's not really much of a reason to do that because the way Medium works is that most of your articles are going to barely earn money, but you have a super viral article after writing enough articles where that article is going to carry you for months and even years in some cases. If you look at the Medium writers who they make a lot of money from the site, thousands of dollars per month, a lot of them are carried by a few viral articles. Some of their new pieces do well, but most of the content on Medium has a very short shelf life where in a few days, the next article has taken over. Because Medium gets so much content produced on its site, thousands of different articles per day competing for attention, and each member has a limited amount of time to go through different articles. So with that in mind, you do get out of the gate running, produce as many articles as you can because it helps you get closer to that viral piece. But once you create a few of those viral pieces, you want to think about how you can use the Medium experience to make money in different ways. So something you should do right away as soon as you start, have a call to action at the bottom of all of your articles, inviting people to subscribe to your email list. This isn't a Medium exclusive thing to do. You should do this in YouTube. So I have in my description opt-in. You can do this in your blog posts. You can do this in your podcast episodes, and you definitely should because the email list is your most valuable asset. It's the only way where you've got free reign in how you communicate with your audience because an algorithm can really be a blessing or a curse and within a few days really dictate how you're able to communicate with your audience, how many people see your content and all that stuff. So it's better to have a way to direct people to your email list through some type of opt-in, whether it be a newsletter or a free offer. That is something you do right away on Medium. The next thing to do is instead of just viewing it as the Medium Partner Program, and this is how I make money on Medium, use Medium as a way to build your work portfolio. There are some writers on this platform, myself included, who we will use our Medium articles as our work samples. We will approach freelance clients, say, this is the type of work that we have done, and are you interested in this caliber level content for you? Are you looking for someone to create content for you that matches this level of quality? So that's one of the reasons why lately I've been running my Medium articles through Grammarly, because if a potential client sees the article and it looks pretty good, because a combination of writing a good article and using better software, then they're more likely to say, we like your content. Let's start a client relationship. And maybe that builds into consistent work. So that's something you can get from Medium if you view your articles as work samples rather than just, I hope this piece goes viral on Medium. Some people, this takes a little bit more of an advanced approach, but what some people also do is they turn their articles into a book. So people will create the outline for their book in advance. They'll say, these are the chapters, these are the sub chapters, this is everything I want in my book. And then instead of writing the book from start to finish, they say, okay, chapter 6, self-publishing, 5 ways to make money selling your books. Let's say the 5 ways to make money selling your books, that is something you got to discuss in that chapter 6, self-publishing. So instead of writing it out in the book, you create the Medium article, 5 ways to make money through selling books. You write it on Medium, you publish it, you get some engagement, you're able to grow your audience, and at the same time, you copy and paste it in your book, make a few tweaks, and make sure some of the content in your book is exclusive to the book rather than published as a Medium article. Some authors, they write their books literally by copying and pasting blog posts, organizing them so that it's not just scattered ideas. And then just like that, they're listing their book on Amazon, Barnes and Noble, and the other places where you can list a book. Medium is a really great place for writers looking to earn some extra income or write about their passion. Only a few writers end up making thousands of dollars per month, but if you think in a deeper level, if you think of your Medium articles as the work samples, you use Medium to grow your brand. You even use Medium to write a book. If you think of Medium in that way, you're able to fully capitalize on the Medium Partner Program, where it feels like the money you make from Medium is kind of like a bonus because of all the other stuff that you're doing. But if you keep on going along this path, you may not have time to commit to like a daily article, which for me, I used to do daily content, but then freelance work and being able to do videos like this one, like the amount of growth I've seen on Medium for my own brand, and the fact that I already do have a few viral articles that are attributing the bulk of my earnings, it's the reason why I say, instead of going daily, let's do 3 to 4 a week. Let's make sure that the article that I write is a greater chance of going viral. So at the beginning, pump out those articles, build up your work portfolio. But then once you really hit your stride, that's where it's better to do 3 to 4 a week, or maybe 5 if you want to. And well, of course, going back to the whole idea of make sure you have a writing frequency that challenges you but doesn't feel impossible. But the idea is that you write, you do a lot of output in the beginning, and then you still do a lot of output, but then you dial down in relation to the outside of Medium opportunities that come your way because of Medium. So that is a great way to capitalize on the Medium Partner Program. Let me know your thoughts if you guys have another strategy for capitalizing on Medium and being able to use it to grow your platform and get different opportunities. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you all next time.